Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up LLC with Bizee. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Bizee. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to select the entity type and then the state where your LLC will be located. Once done, click on the Start My Business button and you will be redirected to the package selection page. There will be 3 plans that you can get: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. After that, you can scroll down and compare the features if you want, but once you are done, click on the Select Package button. Note that the state prices vary from state to state, so yours could be more or less than that. Now you need to enter the name and the designator. After that, click on Next and then choose the filing time. The first one, or the slower filing time, is free, while the other one is paid. So I am going to choose the first one and click on Next. On this web page, enter your complete name, email address, and phone number. Once you are done with it, proceed to the next step. Here, you can either get another location for your business or you can just use your own address. After that, enter the address and fill all of the required fields. Once done, click on the Next button and select Use Entered from the pop-up. Now you will get an offer. You can either avail it or just click on this embed like me. On this page, enter the number of members in your LLC and then fill in all of the required data. Once done, select the type of agent you prefer and click Next. Here, select the first option, click on Next, and then select Ask Me Later. Now, choose electronic delivery, then choose I'm not interested, and then review the information. After you are done with that, click on Next and the payment page will appear. Here, you just need to choose the payment method, enter the information regarding it, and then click on the Pay button. So that's basically how you can set up LLC with Bizee. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.